is like selection. The whole process will be changed.
No.
If he's agreed by any action of the respondent, he can.
No. You can complete the process, but don't fill it up for the time being.
Yes. Deep level as well.
You can complete the process, but don't fill it up.
May please, Your Lordship. My Lord, this is the case where we could see the number of times the person can manage, my Lord. My Lord, over here, the school, initially known as Udalguri ME School, was upgraded to high school in the year 1977. Then the school was further upgraded to high secondary school in the year 1978. My Lord, as Your Lordship is aware, when the school is upgraded to a high secondary school, there are some sanctioned subject teachers posts are there. So in this school, there were total 8 sanctioned subject teachers posts. Among them, because of the demand of the students and the need, geography and education were considered as subject teachers. And incidentally, my Lord, logic and philosophy was not considered as a subject teacher. So that subject was not sanctioned post. So teacher who was there waiting for her chance to be regularized against that post, ultimately she left the school because the post was not sanctioned. This respondent number 7, somehow, my Lord, came against that post, though the post is not sanctioned. Then he was not getting his salary. My Lord, initially somehow he managed to get the salary against the vacant sanction post of English. When the English teacher came, again his salary was stopped. Then he managed again to get the salary against the sanctioned vacant post of history. And when the post of, and in the meantime, the petitioner number 1, that is me, and there is petitioner number 2 also. Petitioner number 1, my Lord, earlier being the senior most, he was allowed to hold the vice principal post after the retirement of the vice principal, which is a sanctioned post. I worked for 2.5 years, then somebody came, so I left. Then after that retirement of the second person, in the month of April this year, again I was allowed to hold the vice principal post, that the academic charge of the institution. On 31st May this year, when the post of regular principal fell vacant, before vacancy arose, that existing principal on 27/5, he sent a list of seniority list along with a letter before the BTC authority with a request to appoint an in-charge principal so that the school does not suffer, institution does not suffer after his retirement. So I, being the in-charge vice principal academic side, being eligible from the month of April, I was waiting that the charge will be given to me. But suddenly I see that order is issued in favor of that person who has come against the post which is not even sanctioned in that institution till date, and he is getting the salary against the vacant post of history. We don't know, suppose the history teacher comes tomorrow, where his placing will be. My Lord, I'd like to draw your Lordship's attention to 2 documents, my Lord. First document, my Lord, this is the gradation list. This is the seniority list sent first. That is page 39, my Lord, along with the letter, page 38, annexure 4. Page 38, my Lord, got it? My Lord, this is prayer for appointment for new academic in charge for Udalguri HS School on retirement of so-and-so, vice principal of the school on 31st March 2028. Now, would your Lordship be pleased to come to the second page, my Lord? My Lord, serial number 4 is the respondent number 7, who has been given the in charge principal. Me and the other petitioner number 5 and number 6. Now see the, my Lord, remark column against the respondent number 4. Would your Lordship be pleased to see it, my Lord? Shri Davidson Daimari joined on 30th June 1999 as a subject teacher of logic and philosophy in the vacant post of Srimati Gayatri Devi after being transferred from the school. After 31st this October 2000, salary of Davidson Daimari was stopped due to non-availability of post. Later on, DSC Assam passed an order for allowing the principal Udalguri HS to pay salary to Sri Daimari against the vacant post of subject teacher of history. And against me, my lord, serial number 5, he has already served as academic in charge of the school for a period of 2 years and 6 months as per order dated 2019. That is the earlier period. Now, before retirement, this was sent, my lord, page 44, annexure 7.
Seniority list, he's shown senior to you, is it?
Yes, my lord. Senior than me. That is admitted, senior than me. But the fact remains, he has come to the school where the post is not there. He is getting salary against another post. Suppose tomorrow, my lord, the history subject teacher comes. Where will be he? That means from initially he got the salary in respect of a vacancy against a teacher of English. When the English teacher came, then the salary again stopped. After that, now there is a vacancy in history, he is getting it. And because of that, my lord, because of that, I think it's some kind of a reason the history post is not yet advertised. Now I'd like to draw your lordship's attention to annexure 7. And
Yes.
page 44, my lord. This principal who has sent the letter, my lord, he retired on 31st May. Before that, 4 days prior to that, 27 May, he has written this letter. My lord, subject is prayer for appointment of new principal for Udalguri HS on retirement of so-and-so, principal of the school on 31st May 2024. Now the list comes, my lord. Would your lordship be pleased to see, my lord? Serial number 4, 5 and 6 again. 5 and 6 is both the petitioners. And 5, my lord, see the column, my lord. Shri Davidson Doimari joined on school so-and-so. Subject teacher logic and philosophy in the vacant post of so-and-so. After so-and-so, the salary of the Davidson Doimari was stopped due to non-availability of the post. Later on, as earlier, the salary was given in respect of the post of history. And against me, my lord, against serial number 5, Shri Bhavesh Narjari is working as vice principal in charge presently as per order number so-and-so 16 April 2024. And he has already served as academic in charge of the school for a period of 2 years, 6 months as per earlier, that is earlier order, my lord, dated 3/12/2019. So my only submission before this honorable court, my lord, the person who is respondent number 7 and has been made the in charge principal of the institution, he is working against a non-sanctioned post. The post against which logic and philosophy, he is the subject teacher, that post is not even there in that institution.
But then it appears he is also confirmed.
Confirmed as a teacher, the confirmation of a teacher automatically comes, my lord. As your lordship is aware, first initial appointment is given, then thereafter the confirmation comes.
Commission order comes. Yes. Bora.
Well, the increase order is only for in charge, my lord.
Yeah.
This please let notice go, my lord.
In charge also the.
In charge also. The qualification is there. Now he is helping upon his entry in the sanction, whether it is sanctioned or no.
It's not sanctioned.
It will come on. I will come with the affidavit, my lord.
Yeah, within the also.
My lord, I will pray, my lord, with your lordship's permission, my lord. What I see, my lord, from the conduct, my lord, initially he got the salary against the English post, then history. He is now virtue of a non-sanctioned post, he is holding the thing.
That is one part of the story.
Yes. So if your lordship, no, what I'm saying, if your lordship,
May order, my lord.
yes, if your lordship allows the IS to take charge, because I am the existing,
Let the notice go first.
I understand, my lord, only one thing. When I know before him, 2.5 years back, when I was already the in charge vice principal, today also I'm in charge vice principal, suddenly somebody cannot come and be above me who is, in fact, he is not even authorized to be in the school itself.
Yeah, within the concept. Education, school education, MSB.
1 and 2.
The Standing counsel secretary education appears for respondents 1 and 2. Udalguri, this one is, you are not.
No, I'm appearing for 3, 4,
Mr.
5,
S. Bora, then
and
the
6.
standing counsel, BTC appears for the respondents 3,
4,
4,
5, and 6.
5 and 6. Stop. Petitioner to take steps for service of notice on respondents 6 and 7 by registered post AD within,
Within 3 days, my lord.
no. So, and 6, I said 6. Petitioner take steps for service of the, on the respond number 7 by registered post AD within 1 week. Respondents are allowed to file their affidavits. List of the forms.
Okay.
My lord, on the next date, the interim order will be considered.
Let
I deserve the interim order in this case, my lord.
Let him
the
come.
notice.
No, what I'm saying, on the next date, it will be considered, my
Okay,
lord.
prayer for interim shall be considered on the next week.
Deeply obliged. my lord.
Amended.
46 of supplementary list. Motion.
Please, Your Lordship. On that day, Lordship made a query whether there is an order of attachment. Lordship, there is an order of attachment. You execute it. No, order of attachment. Hmm. I could not file an affidavit to bring on record, Lordship, because I was not given granted leave, Lordship, to come down to Guwahati, Lordship. So I was not granted leave, therefore I am placing it. It will bring- It is coded then. No, Lordship, detailed status, Lordship, at page 23. Page 23, Lordship, will find the detailed status of this. Teachers, Lordship.
Yes.
I am at serial number 2, Lordship, and serial number 1 will be retiring on 30th June 2024.
30 June.
Lordship. And by the impugned seniority list, Lordship, I have been placed at serial number 4.
Where's that impugned one?
Impugned one is at page 24, Lordship. Rajesh Kumar Tripathi, I've been placed at serial number 4. And my joining is 10/6/1992, initial appointment. And person who is at serial number 2, he has joined on 6/11/1998. And the third one, 13/3/2021.
Yes.
My lord, he was initially appointed as a stipendary teacher. And after completion of junior basic, my lord, he was confirmed in the year 11/1/2022, my lord.
Two.
Sorry, 2002,
2002.
my lord. So sorry, my lord, at this stage, kindly notice it go, my lord.
Notice
Notice will go, Lordship. In the meantime, the impugned seniority list, because it will affect my
He
career,
was
Lordship.
initially appointed as a stipendary teacher. He was confirmed
No,
in the
let
year
us see.
2002, my lord.
Let
After
us-
completion of junior basic.
But what about the other seniority list that was issued?
Madam, so madam, kindly, madam, maybe fix after vacation, I will.
No. In the meantime,
Then till then, don't fill up.
Yes.
the Post of.
yes.
Or the, what is it, principal or headmaster?
Headmaster, Lordship.
So,
Headmaster.
Proposal to the here to confirm the बाकी के तो आगे है बेटे जूनियर बेसिक के पास मुझे दिए हैं
But hard learn the concept of the petition. I'll issue notice.
only notice
Issue notice.
And not to fill up the post, Lord.
No, madam.
Yes, then. Yes,
No,
Lord.
madam.
This is the one,
Date of
madam.
the-
Otherwise,
the presence to
otherwise
be
this writ petition will become
Miss
instructions.
And Fukan Lanut, Standing Council, Elementary Education, appears for the respondents. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and 3.
yes ma'am
Correct. Petitioner to take steps for service of notice on the respondents. 4,
yeah
4 to 8
Okay.
by registered post lady within 1 week.
Yes.
Respondents are allowed to file their affidavits. You want it returnable on an early date? No, but notice has to go to the other respondents.
yes ma'am
List the matter after 4 weeks.
Yes.
Para. Till the next returnable date. The respondents are directed not to fill up the post of
तो
Headmaster.
headmaster.
वो वाले नंबर
Of which school?
Of Lordship Durga Mandir Hindi LP School, Dibrugarh.
Where is that? Of Durga Mandir,
Hindi LP School, Dibrugarh.
LB school, Dibrugarh.
मतलब
Deep level.
Till the next returnable
he
date.
can challenge that any time my lord all the process is going on my lord so it will
Lordship has
it will
already
affect
passed the
all
order.
process my lord
That
so
is-
madam maybe kindly only notice should go my lord
It's not school, it is dismissed by notice. It's a dismissed by selection notice. The whole process will be initiated.
no.
If he's agreed by any action of the respondent, he can.
No, you can complete the process, but don't fill it up for the time being.
Yes. Deep level.
You can complete the process, but don't fill it up